How to use Trellix review. Properly beginner mistake that cost you. Trellix is a cybersecurity platform, but beginners often make mistakes that weaken protection or waste resources. Here's my honest review and guide for using it properly. Most people get this wrong. They deploy Trellix without understanding features. The surprising truth is that antivirus, endpoint detection, and threat intelligence require configuration. Review. Settings before full deployment. Another common mistake is ignoring updates. Trellix constantly releases updates for new threats. Delaying updates leaves systems vulnerable. Many users also neglect user access controls. Properly assigning roles and permissions prevents unauthorized actions while maintaining productivity. Skipping regular scans is another trap. Trellix scheduling tools ensure endpoints are routinely checked for malware. Not using these leads to undetected threats. Finally, beginners often overlook reporting and analytics. Monitoring logs helps identify patterns and respond to security incidents proactively. In conclusion, using Trellix properly means configuring features, applying updates promptly, managing access controls, running scheduled scans, and reviewing reports. Following these steps ensures maximum security and efficiency.